Guys, so once again, welcome to my screen over here. As I said earlier, today I'm going to show you how you can make money on Digistore24 together with Quora. So if you don't know Quora, like I don't know whether that's the right pronunciation, but you will see it. I'll give a link to it in the comment in the description section below. Quora is like a question and answer platform whereby people get to answer questions, and you get to answer these questions based whether if you follow such categories, whether these questions falls in. So quickly, let's dive into our browser and let's see how quickly and how effectively we can do this. And mind you, this tutorial is 100% for beginners. So if you are already in the internet or the affiliate marketing industry, you might probably know this, you might be doing this, you might even be doing the pro stuff. But this is for new people who want to make money online without spending much money. But hey, this won't make you millions of dollars, or this won't make you thousands of dollars. You might get maybe 2 to 5 sales out of this. But if you really want to make more money with affiliate marketing, you need to reinvest this money that you make back to it. I mean, you do paid ads, run ads on Google and also on Facebook ad manager, and then you can target much people and show your ads too. So without wasting much time, let's dive into our browser and let's see how best we can do this. So I've already opened Digistore24, but you guys are newbies, you might not know what even Digistore is. So Digistore is an affiliate marketing platform that that gives us affiliate marketers the opportunity to promote digital or physical products and earn commissions out of it. So let me shut this down and then show you guys how you can do it. So let us go to our browser, and I already have Digistore24, but in case you don't know, just search Digistore24. okay, like so. This is what you're going to see. And if you don't have an account yet, I have a video listed in the description. You can check that video out, how to create a Digistore account, and also some tutorials of how to make money with Digistore with Facebook. So I already have an account. Let me go ahead and log in to my account quickly. Okay, so this is my Digistore24 dashboard. As you can see, I've already made some money in the past days. Okay, but we have to make more. So let's go to our marketplace, and then let's search for the product that we want to know. So there are a lot of digital or physical products over here, but on this video, with this tutorial, I have a specific product that I'm going to promote, which is the Genie Script Convert, and it's a self-development, personal development program. It's an ebook. So let's come to our product, digital product category. Over here you can see tons of categories that you can choose from. So here is what exactly that I want: personal development. Let's check it out. So boom, so this product is selling very well. It's the number one under the personal development category in it. So its sales rank is 5, which is very good. Cancellation rate is very low, which is very good. And there are a lot more qualifications that and also you earn 45.40 cents. Okay, so apparently $40 on each sale that you make. So when someone buys this program, you make $45. That's cool. That is so cool. So let's go ahead and get our affiliate link. So this is our affiliate link. Okay, so let's hit on it. Buy. Let's copy it. Okay, and if you also want, let me hit on this real quick. If you want affiliate promote tools, these tools will help you promote this product. So you can find videos for YouTube and Instagram. You can run ads with this video. You can find email swipes. So let me get it. Let me show you guys how this is. Okay, all the tools Wesley Virgin, who is my mentor, will provide you with all these tools to help you get your first sale, or to help you explain these products to your audience or to your customers. So right, so this you can, I won't be doing this much, but you can check out this. This is a link to email swipes. So this is these Facebook and YouTube ads, you know, will easily crash it for you. So you can check out videos that will help you promote this product. You can put them on YouTube, you can put them on Facebook, you can put them on, you know, wherever that you think you might get sales from. So let's go back to Digistore, and as again, let's copy our affiliate link that will help us get a sale, make money. Okay, so let's go to Quora, and as you can see, I'm already in a place where I can answer questions. Okay, so let's search through if we can get some questions to answer, and also suggest to people our ebook. Okay, so this one says, is yoga related to meditation somehow? Let's check more. My baby was born with a pure white aura. Does this mean all his chakras are open? Oh, I don't really understand this. Let us search more. Let's refresh this page and see whether we can get a question that is related to what we want to sell. This one says, how can I make up to my mantra? Wow, this is cool. How many times a day should I meditate? Wow, this is awesome. This is so awesome. So let's follow this question, and also let's give them our suggestions. Okay, so let's start. This when I started meditation, I was also having problems of how many times I have to meditate in a day. Well, you have to I have the answer to this question. Actually, you have to meditate twice a day, which is one before you go to bed at night, not during the daytime, at night. So let me make this more professional. And also two, after you wake up from bed in the morning. This you can also meditate during the day as many times as you want. And I also like, so we are so now we are suggest, so we've already answered the question. And it makes sense that you have to meditate twice a day after you wake up from bed and before you go to bed at night. But let us suggest to them our program, which is the Genius Script Convert, that actually talks about meditation and how you can meditate effectively and how to manifest all your dreams and goals, all the things that you want to achieve quickly in your life. So let us introduce that. And also, as I said earlier, and well, and okay, so let me do this. I will also like to suggest a program to you. This program help me to meditate. That was meditate. Meditate. Yeah, I can't be typing anymore. Meditate very well, and I was able to manifest most of what I want in life quickly. So let's correct this. Let's make it professional, okay? This is a link to this program. Click to check it out, and you check it out, and you will thank me later. Okay, so I think this will convert very well. Let's paste our link over here, and well, I think so. Let me go through this again to make sure that we've addressed everything that I want to address. Okay, so see, when I started meditation, I was also having problems of how many times I have to meditate in a day. Well, you have to meditate twice a day before you go to bed at night, after you wake up from bed in the morning, and you can also meditate during the day as many times as you want. I would also like to suggest a program to you. This program helped me to meditate very well, and I was able to manifest most of what I want in life quickly. This is the link to this program. Click to check it out, and you will thank me later. I think this makes sense. Can we add some image to this? Let me go back to the program and see whether we can add some images to it. It's only videos, but I think we can add videos to it over here. But let's be professional over here. Let's make this more interesting. Okay, so let me quickly go to Unsplash right now. Unsplash. So Unsplash is an image with free royalty. You can use pictures on this platform from this website for free. without paying anything. So let's search for meditation. Search for meditation, and then to make this more interesting, I think this video is cool. This video is super cool. Wow, this is also cool. See, I like this video. This image, sorry. I like, come on, but hey, let's see more. It's not bad. This is absolutely so. Let's copy. Let me see if I can copy it and paste it without downloading it to save time. Okay, fine. This is awesome. Okay, so let us let's add the link to this image too. Okay, I don't know if I can do that. I can do that, but it's cool. We still have the link here. So let me also add a link to this. Click to check it out. Let me add a link also here. So let me go back and copy this link. Digistore. Copy this link, then come back, paste it here, so that to be all link. So if you click on this link, take you to the offer. Click on this link to take you to the offer. So I think our answer is ready with our affiliate link. Hoping to get some sale out of this, and let's submit. Wow, so it has been submitted. Let's give ourselves an upvote. Okay, let's give ourselves an upvote. Is the upvote working? Let me refresh the page and see whether the upvote is working. Yes, the upvote is on. So I think so. That's it. You can go ahead and do this multiple times. You can go ahead and do this multiple times. Search for questions related to what you want to promote, and then give your suggestions to the people asking these questions. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and I really appreciate your time and everything that you have spent watching this video. And also you can go ahead and search through other products, a lot of categories: food, fitness and health. You can actually promote any product on Digistore24. And if you have any suggestions, any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comment section below. I will be here to answer and reply to all the comments and questions. So if you are brand new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also like this video, share it to anyone whom you think is also trying to make money online, who is also a newbie who wants to make money online. And then let's see how best we can make some money to do the big marketing, okay, which is to run ads, send massive traffic to our affiliate product, and make lots of money out of this. So thank you for watching this video. I will link other similar videos to this video in the comments in the description section below. You can check it out, and also you can follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, Reddit, Twitter. I'll include all my social media handles and email and even phone number in the description section below, so that you guys can contact me, hit me up, then do more. So thank you. See you in my next video.